Hey guys, welcome to some of our team on the night shift. Here we are. We're going to provide some demonstrations of our seam cleaning, which a lot of guys are going out there without professional hot water equipment. Maybe you can pan over and just show our customers. This is a professionally mounted, branded truck with all of the necessary tools on it and attachments to get a solid professional clean. Now, we know a lot of power washers are just using car wash equipment and similar, consumer grade tools. Let us show you what at least a hot water power wash can do. So you can see how much dirt and grime and grease lifts out of that. If there's any gum left on the surface, we'll wand that out on the next step. But that can get a lot of the surface grime. And now what we can do is just spread a little bit of a professional power wash detergent. And maybe I can get someone to kind of spread and scrub some of this in here and just kind of bloom it into this whole region. Most power washers will actually just buy some kind of consumer grade degreaser, usually something at AutoZone or Home Depot, and it's got a usually like a pH 12, just a degreasing component, which will help lift more of the grime. And then after this, we'll show you what we'll do on a lot of your equipment. And now what we want to show you is our deep cleaning process with some of the industry-leading detergents. You can even see our detergents work right as they hit the surface. They'll usually start fizzling because it really lifts and penetrates all of the grime out of the concrete surface to get the deepest clean possible. So if you just spread that real lightly out and then go ahead and broom it out. There's a big difference with some of the lightning effects that our degreasers and our soaps can pull out of the concrete right in here. All right, what I want to do, keep it running there, and let's run one more section. I want to just hit a little spot right here. And go ahead and slowly work as slow as you can from right here all the way through. And let's see if we can see a big contrast from no treatment to treatment. Looks like to me that line's right here. So that's the level of deep clean that KC Power can pull out of that surface. If you want to see a sample to see if you're getting your money's worth, let us know, because our process saves time. We can match budgets, and you're going to get the highest quality clean you can possibly get. That's why they call it the king of exterior clean.